My name is Hai Sin and I teach life skills for a living. My motivation to learn investing started from a long time ago because I knew it was important. There's a lot of things that I love about the training, about Cayden as a very passionate trainer who makes very difficult concepts very easy, and the interactive activities, even the game simulation that simulates our behaviors when we actually face situations where we have to decide on what sort of prices to take in companies and all that. I think all that was very holistic in helping us understand what investing is all about. I think the most helpful lesson that I've learned from him and the course is actually not really the strategies that we learned. Of course, those helped, but I think it's the confidence and the removal of fear that he was able to do for us and for myself specifically that helped me to be able to take my very first step in investing. I definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to learn about investing from a very great teacher who's so passionate in helping his students and is so skilled. Cayden is awesome. I think everyone should join the course.